Hello to all my wonderful viewers and to all our beautiful followers. If you are following this YouTube channel, this is Ultimate Tips for YouTubers with your host Lura, your ultimate YouTuber down here in the Gambia. In this YouTube channel, we upload videos on how to teach you on how to use the YouTube platform. On this YouTube channel also we are doing a course on the Adobe Premiere on how to edit videos with the Adobe Premiere using the Adobe Premiere. On this YouTube channel too, if you click on our videos, you will see updates on gadgets on how to use the cameras, the best cameras for YouTube videos and your films that you are going to be doing. We are on a tour on unboxing new cameras, gears and mics and lightning gadgets. I will be uploading latest videos on lenses, the best lenses to film with. I'm having a brand new 25mm lenses, 50mm lenses that goes with my Lumix G7. I'm also having a brand new GVM lightning setup for your videos, for your video clips. Lightning setup for your YouTube videos. I'm gonna be updating all these gadgets here on the YouTube channel. So subscribe for more videos like this. This is Lura, the ultimate boss. On this video today, I'm gonna be doing a video on the Adobe Premiere, teaching you on how to use the warp stabilizer. The warp stabilizer is on the Adobe Premiere. If you're having a shaky footage, you're using your phone or using you are not using a gimbal when you are shooting your videos with your handheld, you can use this warp stabilizer to stabilize your footage. I've used it on a couple of videos recently on the Usain Dada video, that is Usain Dada and AK's video. I've also used it on the Prince Camera video clip. I was using a normal gimbal, but then the gimbal that I was using was the normal stabilizer gimbal. That was not the electronic type of the stabilizer. So I've used the web stabilizer to stabilize my image, which was very cool. And I also I reduced the speed on the clip to have a very good slow motion, which was good looking. So I decided to do a video for you guys so that you can use this effect to stabilize your image, which is very simple and easy. Even though if you don't have an electronic gimbal, you can use the web stabilizer to stabilize your images using the Adobe Premiere Pro. I will come to the computer and show you how to use this effect till I come your way. Subscribe now. This is Ultimate Tips for YouTubers. Stay here with me. This is Lura, the ultimate boss. Click and subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like this coming every week. Yeah, now I'm gonna show you on how to add the warp stabilizer. This is the footage I'm gonna be using. Check the footage before the warp stabilizer. Check the footage. You see how the footage is shaking? You see? Let me play it again. You see how the footage is shaking? It is shaking. You see? It's shaking. So I'm gonna apply this here. Now it is gonna analyze. You have to wait a little time so that it can analyze the footage and just stabilize it. So we have to wait. Yeah, we're almost done now. Watch out for it. It's done. Now I'm gonna play the footage after that. You see how it is stabilized? You see the footage now? It's not shaking. Let me play it again. You see? The footage is no more shaking now. Yeah. So that is the way to add the web stabilizer on a footage and stabilize your footage. Till next time I come your way, you can click on subscribe and watch out for more videos like this. These are tips and tools on how to modify your job and make it more smoother. Work professionally using those effects that are on the Adobe Premiere. Thank you so much. This is Lura, the ultimate boss. To all my beautiful followers, if you do like that video and you love the video that I did for you, subscribe and watch out for more videos like this on this YouTube channel. This is Lura, the ultimate boss.